Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Yoshi's Crafted World. To begin, you will learn the fundamental controls for Yoshi. Use the left stick to move and the B button to jump. For longer distances, hold B after a jump to perform a flutter jump, extending your airtime. The Y button allows you to aim and throw eggs, which are crucial for defeating enemies and solving puzzles throughout the handcrafted levels. Mastering these core mechanics is your first step to adventure. As you journey through the whimsical world, collecting items is key. Each stage holds 100 coins, which are essential for purchasing new costumes. Keep an eye out for 20 hidden smiley flowers. Collecting enough of these will unlock subsequent levels and areas. Additionally, 3 adorable Poochie pups are cleverly hidden in every stage, and finding them all grants you special bonus items. Exploration and thorough searching will greatly enhance your gameplay experience. Yoshi's Crafted World features a unique costume system that adds both charm and strategy. You can equip various crafted costumes, each offering a layer of protection. These costumes can absorb up to 20 hits from enemies or environmental hazards before breaking, giving you a significant advantage. New costumes are unlocked by spending the coins you collect during your adventures. Experiment with different outfits to find your favorites and boost your survivability in challenging stages. For those seeking extra challenges, replay stages in their flip-side version, which offers a fresh perspective and new objectives. If you find a level too difficult, Mellow Mode provides an easier experience, including unlimited flutter jumps and a helpful Poochie companion. Don't forget to experiment with your egg throws. Sometimes a bounce or a precise arc is needed to hit distant targets or reveal hidden secrets. These techniques will help you master every corner of the crafted world.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.